Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll start with theorem 2 of my fixed points. So it has been said that every bilinear transformation which has only one fixed point alpha can put into a form called as normal form. So now the normal form is nothing but 1 upon w minus alpha, which is equal to 1 upon z minus alpha plus k. Now, we'll be starting with proof. As we know, students, bilinear transformation is given by W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, which can be written in a form of Z for finding fixed point. What we will be doing in the place of W, I will be keeping Z. So Z equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, which gives me this equation as we know it earlier. Since alpha is only one fixed point, what I can write, if there is only one fixed point, my quadratic equation is with degree 2, that means that the same point is repeated twice. So I can compare this equation cz square minus d minus a the whole d minus a whole multiplies to z minus b can be compared with c into z minus alpha the whole square. See, I have wrote z minus alpha the whole square because my alpha is only a single point which is repeated twice. So this opens up with expanded, so that comes z square minus 2 into z minus alpha plus alpha square, which I can compare. I can say d minus a can be compared as minus 2 alpha c, and minus b can be compared as, just a small change students, there is plus here, so that comes d minus a is equal to minus 2c minus b is equal to c alpha square. So that is d is equal to a minus 2 alpha c and b is equal to minus c alpha square. So the next point I can write, I want to get a normal form. For always normal form, remember that we will be starting with w minus alpha, and alpha is that fixed point which we will be getting. So we can say as w minus alpha, that is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d minus alpha. By solving it, I can get az plus b minus alpha multiplies to cz plus d divided by cz plus d. Now I can say w minus alpha is nothing but, from here after expanding it, az and minus alpha cz, I can take z common and I can write a minus c alpha z plus the remaining will be b minus alpha d divided by cz plus d. Students, I said you that for a normal form you will be starting with w minus alpha, but what you will be needing, if you see in a normal form, you have 1 upon w minus alpha. So for that reason, I will be taking reciprocal of this. So 1 upon w minus alpha is nothing but reciprocal of this, and then I have values of d and I have values of b. I'll be substituting values of d, that is nothing but a minus 2c alpha. I'll be substituting value of b, that is nothing but minus c alpha square, minus, when I substitute alpha value of d, that comes minus a alpha plus 2c alpha square. Now after solving this, you can get cz plus a minus 2c alpha divided by a minus c alpha square minus c alpha square plus 2c alpha square comes to be c alpha square, and when you take minus alpha common, it comes to be a minus c alpha. Now 1 upon w minus alpha, which is nothing but, here I need to add and subtract a term, so I get a minus c alpha plus c into 2 minus alpha divided by this. Now, after separating this denominator with numerators, so I can say your first will be a minus c alpha gets cancelled out, and I remains with, it remains with 1 upon z minus alpha, and a second term when it splits, z minus alpha gets cancelled here, and I get c upon a minus c alpha. Understand students? The whole constant what we have got, we can say that to be k. So I say 1 upon w minus alpha, I got as 1 upon z minus alpha plus k. That's my second theorem for fixed points, normal form. Thank you for watching video on In 5 Minutes.